All right, I've got the Lunar Beauty mystery box today. This is the Mars mystery box. This is the biggest one. I'll put details for it in the description. There were 3 total mystery boxes. I bought this the day it came out, so hopefully got here fast enough. I know a few other people have put up their reviews, but wanted to open this live on camera. So, got my knife here. Let's see. I don't have anything from Lunar Beauty. Oh, that's cute. So this is going to be a fun treat. So the first thing I'm seeing here is a cute beauty bag. Lunar Beauty in gold. It's black and very shiny. Let's see what's inside. Oh, brushes. Can never have too many brushes. Wow, it's a lot. Oh my gosh. It's probably every brush they've ever made. That's awesome. And a fun silica packet. So that's the first thing. Let's see what's under here. Now this does have limited stuff that hasn't been put out anywhere else. So that's going to be interesting. Okay, so we've got a sponge. Very cool little gold swirl. And then I see a few loose products down here. We've got a lip gloss. This is the mystery one. So this one was in his video I saw. So this is the mystery gloss. Let's check it out. Ooh, that's really pretty. Oh, wow. That's super shiny. All right, that's the mystery shade. And we've got a liquid lipstick, and this is in shade Aphrodite. Let's see what this one looks like. Ooh, I like the tube. That's cool, the gradient. Ooh, this is bright. Oh yeah. That is really pretty. I like that. And the third one down here is a lip gloss in Dreamy. And based on the color of the tube, expecting a light peach color, and that's what we've got. Very nice. All right, now I see this faux mink lashes. Ooh, never have too many lashes. Let's see what they look like. I like the purple and pink. This is really pretty. Ooh, and nice big lashes. I'm gonna have to definitely trim those. Probably get 4 pairs out of that. Cute. And then we've got all these wrapped palettes. The 4 palettes that it mentioned getting. So let's start with the top. This is the Moon Prism Blush Palette. Ooh. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, it's got a 3D moon on it. That's pretty cool. And a lot of colors here. You could probably use some of these as bronzers or eyeshadows depending on your situation. Pretty colors, definitely. I've never tried any of their products, so we'll have to see how those perform. Next palette. Eternal Eclipse. I've never heard of this one. I've heard of Moonspell, Moonspell 2, and the Strawberry Dream, but Eternal Eclipse, that is insanely beautiful. Wow. Okay, what's in here? Oh, Look at those colors. A lot of glitters. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 glitters. Ooh. And I love the embossing there. That is super pretty. Wow. I like this. Very nice, like wintry color story. Perfect for February. Alright, I'm going to have to look that up and see if that's one of those exclusive items that isn't anywhere else. Alright, third palette. I have, oh, the Moon Spell Volume 2. And this is one I've heard of. This one's like a book. That's pretty cute. Oh, the artwork on his palettes are really cool. Oh, wow. This has some really pretty pinks and purples. Oh my god, purple is my favorite color. So, just look at all those colors. Extreme close-ups. Wow, this is really pretty. Alright, and the last palette. Last but not least, we have the Outer Dimension palette. It's a face palette. I know people were worried about getting this because I heard it's not selling well. It's not very shade inclusive, but oh, that outer packaging is something else. That's really interesting. Let's take a look at him. Ooh, okay. So you've got literally one dark shade. I can see why people are not happy with this. I don't know if I'll keep it. You can see there, it's a whole lot of light shades mostly. I mean, you can use them for eyeshadow, but still, like, if you're buying a face palette like that, I would think you'd want it to be as versatile as possible, or have them specific to your shade. Why have one palette? But, you know, people do their own things. So all together, we've got a face palette, an eyeshadow palette, a blush palette, and an eyeshadow palette, and 3 lip products, 2 glosses, 1 lipstick, 1 pair of lashes, and then 1 sponge, all these brushes, and 1 case. I'm gonna have to see what the exclusive items were because I'm not familiar with all the stuff that he has. But this was pretty cool for a mystery box. Very awesome deal.